some ducky babies here. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Ducky babies. Look at them. All fussed up and stuff. Aww.
A few moments later.
Where you get her? Like a farm or something?
The girl who I got it from, her brother got a farm.
Oh, it's so cute. Bro, I'm right next to a deer. Look like a baby or a mama. I don't know. I hope she don't come over here. That's for me. Hey y'all, take a look at this. I don't know if these are, what are these? Is this what you call mushrooms or toadstools? I know one is edible, one is not. For you nature aficionados, does anybody recognize the types here? I'm out walking, caught these. I used to kind of sort of like mushroom soup as a kid, but as I got older, mushrooms have become increasingly gross by the nature of how they grow, but they're still unique plants, fungi, whatever you want to call them. But that is so strange. Wow. Okay, I'm out here. Cicada watch. Second or third day. And I think I might have just seen some on the tree. Bro. Oh my god, I think I see some. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me not fall off this helmet. Bro, they all over this tree. Oh my god, the devil is God. I can't believe I was sitting up under this tree. Oh my god. Hideous, and they're all over it. Ew. It's about to be the cicada apocalypse up in this bitch. And these aren't even done yet. They're still cooking. They must have just came out of the soil. Bro. Oh my fucking, oh my lord. More yuck. Ugh, more yuck.